Means they're watching.
Oh, come on. Go back around the other
Well, today what we had going on was seasonal gift giving to the great apes and the monkeys. We took enriching food items that they don't normally get, like raisins and cereal and nuts, and put it in packages. And we hid these packages throughout the exhibit so that the animals could come out and search on their own for these food items, because this is what they would be doing in the wild. And so we just don't do 1 or 2 feedings a day. We do several feedings of this throughout the day to keep them active. Obviously, the seasonal gifts we do once a year, but as far as the enrichment items, we will do this throughout the year and hide these food items throughout their exhibit, maybe on a weekly basis, so that it's a novel object. It's something new and different, but something they're very excited about. But we do this type of food items, and we vary it throughout the week for that very purposes of enriching their lives.
Now, ears steady.